All aboard! Imagine me riding you right now. Imagine me riding you right now. Imagine me twirling round and round. Imagine me riding you right now.
Here's how. Project 2025 strips away our voting rights protections, and it eliminates the Department of Education. It would siphon public school funding to private schools, leaving our kids behind. Planning on going to college? Good luck paying for it. Project 2025 cuts funding for federal student loans. Trump's Project 2025 would also make states monitor women's pregnancies, and it bans abortion. Project 2025 would also gut Obamacare, ripping away health care from millions. Simply put, Trump's Project 2025 would be devastating to Black America. But we can stop it by voting for Kamala Harris for president, because we are not going back.
I'm Kamala Harris, candidate for president, and I approve this message.
Paid for by Harris for president.
Look, you can't have a conversation about good food and smart spending.
Relax. I think our luck is changing. You know what you're doing? What am I doing? Come on.
Okay. I want to get a pig.
Go party first. We met like strangers on a train. We met like strangers on a train. Catch me on this train of thought. Catch me on this train of thought before I lose my train of thought. Before I lose my train of thought. I'm traveling to the last stop where my brother always gave me a hug. The moment where he taught me how to shoot a gun. Bang, bang. He never shot me down. Bang, bang. He'd do anything for me. And that was his bond. But now, he's gone. But he's here in a blue bird form. I don't see him often, but anytime I can call, and he's never hesitant. Not once. He shows up. He supported every project, even if he thought I was nuts and it was dumb. He helped me bring visions to life with true love. He loved traveling, fixing anything. He left a son. His son doesn't know me. We're strangers on a plane. Just like his dad, we were strangers on a plane that traveled the world. He was shaped, my wing shape. You always made sure I got back home safe. You dreamt with me, talked to me, followed every thought without ever getting lost. You thought and you taught me how to turn the bottom to the top. You had a key to all my houses and fixed all my cars, and every conversation you listened to every train of thought. You never did me wrong. This is just life to the next life. This is just life to the next life. Every train and every plane, every lane is mine. You see the dashes between my legs. Every train and every plane and every lane is mine. You see the dashes between my legs. Every train and every plane and every lane is mine. You see the dashes between my legs. You see the dashes between my legs. You see the dashes between my legs. 'Cause every train and every plane and every lane is mine.
thing had burst. I went to go get it that day when I went to go get my stuff. He was like, you can't go downstairs. And I was like, why? He was like,